and welcome to this tutorial on prime numbers. A prime number is a number that's bigger than 1 and has two factors, 1 and itself. Make sure you understand and remember the definition of a prime number for the 11 Plus exam. Let's try and identify the prime numbers from 1 to 10. 1 is not a prime number, as a prime number has to be bigger than 1. 2 has factors of 1 and 2, as only 1 times 2 makes 2. Therefore, 2 is a prime number. 3 is also a prime number, as the only factors are 1 and 3, since 1 times 3 makes 3. 4 is not a prime number, even though it has factors of 1 and 4, where 1 times 4 makes 4. We need to remember that 2 times 2 also makes 4. Therefore, 2 is also a factor. What about 5? 5 is a prime number, as the factors of 5 are 1 and 5, where 1 times 5 makes 5. How about 6? Well, the factors of 6 are 1 and 6, where 1 times 6 makes 6. However, 3 and 2 are also factors, where 3 times 2 also makes 6. And 7 is a prime number, since the factors of 7 are 1 and 7, where 1 times 7 is 7. 8 is not a prime number, where 1 times 8 makes 8, and 4 times 2 makes 8. Once again, 9 is not a prime number, since 1 times 9 makes 9. However, 3 times 3 also makes 9. And finally, 10 is not a prime number. Even though 1 times 10 makes 10, we must remember that 5 times 2 also makes 10. So, out of the numbers of 1 to 10, the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5 and 7. Make sure to use the simple factor tree technique to work out if any value is a prime number. To watch the full video and to have a go at our 11 Plus practice quizzes, go to ariatuition.com. That wraps up this tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.